The BJP has initiated groundwork for the upcoming Ghadc elections scheduled for next year. BJP leader Ghadc emphasized the need for consensus among all political parties on the contentious issue of railways project in Khasi and Jainte Hills. Earlier this month, the state government formed an all-party committee to deliberate on the railway issue, but no discussions have taken place even 20 days later. Ghadc stressed that any decision on the matter should be reached collectively to ensure progress.
BJP digaring way niki parti ke bom jutoi tang por election but rebe man ka por hi ada kan election of the election ka BJP party ke long very active man ka por hi but increase ke seat ta ma shong pai ba o jet ke jeng man de jong pai ba ni tingi kwa increase man ka election